Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2015 Kawasaki Versys 1000 LT. This is the big brother sport touring adventure style 4-cylinder liquid cooled over 125 horsepower. Comes with color matched saddlebags. This bike also has a tall Puig windscreen that is adjustable. It has Denali LED fog lamps, Pathfinder LED headlamp bulbs. It's got EBC centered brake pads all around, a G2 throttle tamer, only 3,880 miles, upgraded bark busters, much stronger, a beautiful seat concepts, touring soft saddle, and fantastic sounding exhaust. A Dan Moto sounds beautiful. You're going to hear that in just a minute. Super low miles on this gorgeous sporting 4-cylinder. Price to sell at just $10,490. Come by, check it out. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.